So the Minions PowerPoint game is made by Mitch Craig of the Waygroup Forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below the video so you could get your copy of the PPT. The home screen is a bunch of letters, and the groove sign, ignore that, it doesn't do anything. You click one of the letters to go to a question, answer the question quickly, and you'll go to a team option screen. So with this particular PPT bomb game, you have to choose, the students have to choose whether they want to receive the reward or possible punishment, or they want to give it to a different team. And what drops from here could be good, could be bad, we don't know. To return to the home screen, click on the red button. If you want to see this PPT in action, we actually have a video of one of my lessons, and I'll put a link as well in the options below. The Jurassic Park PowerPoint game is made by Mitch Craig of the Waygroup Forum, and I'll put a link in the comment section below the video for your free PPT download. The start screen is a selection of letters of which you have to choose one to go to a question. Students answer the question. If they get it incorrect, select the red dinosaur. If they get it correct, select the green dinosaur to go to a reward or points deduction screen. Points are denoted by the amount of bullets that they receive. To go back to the home screen, click on the Jurassic Park logo in the bottom right. Apart from the bullet point reward screen, there are also other special events. Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at the League of Legends LOL PPT bomb game. Let's check it out. So the League of Legends PowerPoint game is made by Steve Marty of the Waygroup Forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below for you to get your free downloadable copy of the PPT. How it works, the home screen here is actually a grid, so the students have to choose a grid coordinate like B1, A1, D6, and they have to answer a question from there. So they've got a couple of choices, they answer questions.
I do your bidding, for now.
They then have to fight a monster, a legend, and they get different events on what they choose. So they could get some points or something negative. To return to the main screen, click on the L logo. They also have many special events, and these are when they can collect these specific trophies, which give them a lot more of the additional points. Well, that's been our PPT walkthrough of the League of Legends PowerPoint game made by Steve Marty. Remember, if you like the video, please consider subscribing to our channel and go to the links below in the description box to get a copy of this free PPT download. Bye bye. The Doraemon PPT bomb game is made by Sprite06 of the Waygook forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below the video for you to download a free PPT copy. The first screen has options of different letters that you choose to go to your questions. Answer the question. If it's incorrect, click the X. If it's correct, click Doraemon. You'll then come to a screen and you'll get a certain amount of red bean cakes. The red bean cakes denote the amount of points that the students receive. To go home, click on Doraemon again. There are, of course, many special events. Super high score, change points, and lose all points. The Maplestory PowerPoint game is made by Steve Marty of the Waygook forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below the video for you to get your free downloadable copy of the game. Maplestory is a very popular game in Korea, and instead of the normal letters or numbers that you have to choose from to go to a question in the home screen, you've got to go to different areas on the map. So let's go to Pine Island. So here, answer a question, you get the question correct. You can then go to a point screen. Now, often in this game, there's an additional screen after that could be good or bad. So special events are often included. To go home, click on the mushroom. There are also different special events that involve teams. So let's check that out. So here, you can choose a team to fight the monster with you, and they give different sorts of endings and events. So your teams could both get some points, or the other team could betray you and steal your points, or they could switch points with you. It's a cool, different, new dynamic that I like with this game.
Yay!
And there are multiple maps, and to go to different maps once you've finished all these selections, you click on the compass.